Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna prepare small octopus. You just make sure you got enough octopus, because with small octopus it's the same as with the big one. When you boil them they're gonna shrink, so this is 350 grams approximately. As vegetables I'm gonna use spring onion. Just slice it up in even parts. Cherry tomatoes, which you chop into 4. Garlic, roughly chopped like this. And here I got some green olives and capers to increase the briny seafood flavor. Quite enough olive oil in a hot pan. You reduce the heat to a minimum and then you put in the octopus one by one, like this. Smell is incredible. Smell of fresh seafood. Put in the tomatoes and the garlic, the olives and the capers. Gotta put some spices and herbs in there. First, black pepper, quite a lot, as I like this. Some Cajun pepper, thyme and oregano. I will add a little bit of balsamic vinegar for extra freshness, extra acidity and extra flavor, of course, especially together with the tomatoes. This will be very good. This is gonna cook for about half an hour until everything blends together into a perfect Mediterranean sauce. Now you might think that I forgot about the spring onion, but I didn't forget. I'm just gonna put them in at the end because they should not cook too long to retain their freshness. Meanwhile, I'll add some pasta water to the octopus, to the sauce. The sauce is almost ready. And so is the spaghetti. As I turn off the heat, I will add the spaghetti to the sauce. And just stir it a little bit so that all the sauce gets into contact with the spaghetti. And you plate it up. Here it is, Mediterranean octopus spaghetti. Small octopus and olive. Now that is a good combination. It's a little bit chewy, but not too much. I mean the octopus. Spaghetti with sauce. Now that is the right seafood sauce. Just how I like it. Salty, briny with the olives, with the capers too. I love octopus, the taste, the flavor. Of course, these small octopus, they get much flavor from the sauce. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.